Hey class, good evening everyone. So bachcho, how are you all doing? And how many of you are like seriously ready for your examinations? I know many of your exams are about to start in this month. Many of your exams might have started. Many of you their exams might will start from the next week or the coming week. So I will say that this is the exam season going on right now, and for you all we are doing each and every chapter one by one. So don't worry, we'll complete the whole syllabus for your grade 9th. I'll take each and every topic. I'll take each and every question. Do not worry about it, because I've got mails ki sir don't take this chapter, take this chapter. I have told ki I will take each and every chapter. Just let us go sequence by sequence. Okay, so again bachcho, this is the Umang series, as you all know, especially for grade 9, and we were doing triangles topics. So in this first one we have done the congruence of triangles, and in the second section we have done triangular inequalities, right? So today we will be doing some HOTS question, that is your high order thinking skill questions. Okay, so these questions are the questions which makes a paper difficult. These questions makes a paper difficult because these questions are already from your syllabus, but they are bit difficult. Okay, so if you understand how to tackle each and every problem, you will not face difficulty in any kind of question, be it hots or be it colds. Okay, bad joke, I know, but so you won't face any difficulty if your concepts are clear. Chalo, let's move ahead now. So before starting bachon, do like, share and subscribe to Vedantu's 9th and 10th channel. This is the only channel which is specially dedicated for grade 9th and 10th. Okay bachcho, and now let's go for the previous classes homework question. So I have given you one homework question, which was this, that in a right triangle ABC, this ABC is a right angle triangle. So I have told you bachcho one thing, always remember one thing, that whenever you are solving any geometry question, it is very important, whatever information is given, just represent that information on the diagram so that it will be visible to you, and the question starts, we can start looking at the question. So instead of just imagining it, we can look at the figure and it becomes quite easy, I would say. So they are saying that ABC is a right angle triangle, that means here it is right angle. Okay, this is 90 degree, we got it. Then they are saying M is midpoint of hypotenuse AB. If M is midpoint, I can say ki sir AM is equal to BM, because M is midpoint. Whatever information they are telling us, we'll just plot it over here. Then C is joined to M. Okay sir, C is joined to M and produced to a point D such that DM is equal to CM. They are saying ki now DM is equal to CM. Okay sir, no problem. Point D is joined to point B. We can see this. Find the value of A if CM is A times of AB. So that was the figure, and this is what we have got now. So one thing to bachcho we can say, by looking at it, first idea which comes to my mind is ki sir, this DMB and AMC, we can prove them congruent. So how can we do it? Ki chalo bachcho, let us say ki I have told ki sir this angle is, let us say, X. Okay, so now what is happening bachcho? As you can see, this angle is X and this is 90. So this part will become 90 minus X, or let us talk about the angles later. We can first say directly ki sir, these two angles will be equal because they are vertically opposite angles, right? So I will now say that sir, in triangle DMB, and AMC, first thing I can say bachcho is DM is equal to MC, it is given. Second thing I can say ki AM is equal to BM, it is also given. Or between that I will just write angle DMB is equal to angle AMC. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. And then I can say ki BM is equal to AM. So as you can see, by side angle side rule, I can say these two are congruent. So by side and side angle side rule, I can say triangle DMB is congruent to triangle AMC. Now bachcho, if these angles are congruent, all the corresponding parts will be equal, right? So I have got DMB is congruent to AMC, Is it AMC? No. DM is equal to CM, so it is CMA. Okay, we have to write the corresponding parts. DMB, so DM is equal to CM, so CMA. Okay, now as you can see बच्चों कि if these two triangles are equal, okay, D, C are the corresponding point, B, A are corresponding points, so by that logic I can say बच्चों that this angle, if let us say this angle is X, okay, this angle will also be equal to X. Why? Because they are the corresponding parts by CPCT, right? So by CPCT I am telling कि sir if this angle is X, this angle will also be equal to X, right? And let us say कि sir this angle is Y, so this angle will also be equal to Y by CPCT, correct? And this AC will be equal to BD. So these are the information I have got. Okay, so the main information I am writing here that AC is equal to BD. That is the main information I have got from this thing. AC is equal to BD. Now, but you remember, see, as you can see, AC and BD are two lines. AC and BD are two lines, and this AB is a transversal line. Okay, and this AB is a transversal line. So tell me one thing, bachcho, if it is a transversal line, and you know कि the interior angles formed are equal, so I can say by the converse theorem, if two lines are intersected by a transversal line and the pair of interior alternate angles formed are equal, then the lines will be parallel. Okay, so by using this converse rule, what I am saying that angle DBM is equal to angle CAM. Okay, so by using my converse theorem, okay, converse theorem, what is the converse theorem I am using? Converse of interior alternate angle. That if two lines are intersected by a transversal line and the pair of interior alternate angles formed are equal, I will say AC is parallel to BD. AC is parallel to BD and they are equal as well, right? Now we have proved कि sir these two lines are parallel. If these two lines are parallel, BC is a transversal line. BC is a transversal line, and we can say that sir if BC is a transversal line, okay, I know that sir this angle is 90 degree and this angle I don't know, let us say X, but I know, or let us say any other angle, but I know this angle C, whole angle C and whole angle B, some of them will be 180 degree because they are interior consecutive angles. See, AB and BD, AC and BD are parallel, BC is a transversal line, so these two angles will be corresponding angles. So I can say from this part that angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle C is already 90, so angle B will also be equal to 90 degree. That means bachcho, now I have got ki sir this angle is also 90 degree, this whole angle is also 90 degree and this whole angle is also 90 degree, correct? Up to this I have got it. Now let's move to the next part. Okay, so till now whatever I have got, I have written on this diagram. Everything I have shown on this diagram. Now bachcho, I know these two are right angle triangles, so let us try to prove them congruent. Let us see whether they are congruent or not. So I will take in triangle DBC and triangle DBC I have taken ACB. Okay, if I am saying these two, first thing I have bachcho, DB is equal to AC, I have proved from the previous congruency rule, DB is equal to AC. Then I have got angle B is equal to angle C, both are equal to 90 degree. And then I have BC is equal to BC common. So again by SAS side angle side rule, I can say that triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. Triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. If these two are congruent, so from here I can say कि their bhaiya hypotenuse will also be equal. So from here I have got कि sir, it means AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. This is the main thing we have got. AB is equal to CD. Okay. Now bachcho, as you can see कि we want a relation between CM and AB. Now since M is the midpoint of CD as well, I can say sir CM is half of CD. I know one thing, that sir CM is half of CD. So I can say कि sir twice of CM is equal to CD, right? Twice of CM is equal to CD. Let us put it here. So you'll be getting AB is equal to twice of CM. That means CM is equal to shift 2 there, 1 by 2 of AB. So from here we can see that the value of A is nothing but half. Value of A is nothing but half. So this is how this whole part is proved. Okay, and step by step we have gone. So first we have proved these two triangles congruent, then we have seen that this angle is also 90 degree, then we have proved these two triangles congruent, and then we have told कि sir by their congruency DC is equal to AB, and then we have used the following method. Since AB is equal to CD and CD is twice of CM, so replacing that you will be getting CM is equal to half of AB. Okay, chalo, here also directly you can put AB also na, here also you can put directly AB, so CM is equal to half of AB. Okay, chalo. So how many students have given me the correct answer? And we have got the correct answer from Taufik, Varalakshmi, Bala Sahib, Shravan, Field Physics, Archana, Pinking, Achintya and Shivam. Okay bacho, so very good, all the best, and I hope this way I would be getting more and more correct answers, right? And let's move to the next question. So the next question we have is this bacho, कि in the given figure PQRS is a square and SRT is an equilateral triangle, prove that PT is equal to QT. So भैया we have to prove कि sir this PT is equal to QT, and TQR, this angle TQR, this angle is 15 degree. This we have to prove. Okay sir, first thing bacho, whatever they are giving na in diagram, whatever things you know, just show it in the diagram. The question becomes quite easy. I know कि sir PQRS is a square, that means all the sides are equal and all these angles are 90 degree. Second thing, I know कि SRT is an equilateral triangle. So if this SR is equal to TR is equal to ST, that means all these sides, they all are equal to each other. And since it is an equilateral triangle, this whole will be 60, this whole will be 60, and this whole will be 60, right? This whole will be 60. Okay sir, now first thing, prove PT is equal to QT. So now bachcho, if you will think कि यार you to prove PT is equal to QT, if you can prove that triangle PST is congruent to triangle QRT, the whole thing will be solved, right? So let us focus on this part to prove triangle PST. So let us take in triangle PST and triangle QRT. Okay, PST and triangle QRT. First thing I can know, I can see clearly कि sir PS is equal to QR, right? Now bachcho, see here, this is 90, this is 60, total overall angle is 150. This is again 90, this is 60, overall angle is 150. So I can say कि sir angle PST is equal to angle QRT, and both are equal to what? 150 degree. How I've got 150 degree? 90 plus 60. Okay, and then I have TS is equal to RT. So again bachcho, as you can see by SAS rule, I can say triangle PST is equal to, is congruent to triangle QRT, and since they are congruent, corresponding parts will be equal, so I will say कि sir PT is equal to QT. So first proof is done, right? By what? By CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles, right? Now what is the next part? The next part is bachcho, prove that angle TQR is equal to 15. Okay, this angle TQR, this is 15. Quite easy. We know that's a TRQ is an isosceles triangle. Okay, triangle TRQ is an Isosceles triangle. Why? Because RT is equal to RQ. Correct? If these two sides are equal, the angle opposite to them will also be equal. That means now I can say bachcho that this angle and this angle, they will be equal. See, this side opposite to this is this angle, opposite to this side is this angle. So I can say ki sir, angle RTQ plus angle RQT, angle RTQ is equal to angle RQT, and we want TQR, RTQ or RQT or TQR only, same thing. Okay, and angle TQR or RQT, both are equal. So bhaiya, let us say ki this is sir X, this is also X, and this is what 60 plus 90 is what? 150 degree. So 150 plus X plus X, 150 plus X should be equal to 180 degree. So you will be getting 2X is equal to 30, and that means X is equal to 15 degree. As simple as that. So we have got both the angles are equal to 15 degree. Is it clear? Quite a easy sum, right? So if you will just plan it carefully, all the answers you will get quite easily. Chalo, let's move to the next question, bacho. And the next question is this: in two right angles, one side and acute angle of one are equal to the corresponding side and angle of the other, prove that the triangles are congruent. Now bacho, see, they are saying ki bhaiya, you have two right angle triangles. Okay, two right angle triangles. Okay sir, two right angle triangles na? Okay sir, these are my two right angle triangles. They are saying ki in two right angle triangles, one side, chalo, let us say ki sir this side and this side are equal, and one acute angle, so let us say ki sir this acute angle is equal. Okay, now tell me one thing, if these two sides are equal, and see, this right angles are already equal, these two angles are equal, so I can say sir by angle and side, and here also by angle and side, you will get both the triangles congruent. Now instead of this angle, suppose if I told ki no sir, I have a change. What? Ki sir this side is equal and then this is right angle, and now I'm telling ki sir this angle is equal. So arey bhaiya, even if this angle is equal, you will get angle side angle. So by anyway, either by AS or by angle side angle, any combination, the triangles will be congruent, either by angle side or by angle side angle. So we can say ki both the triangles will be congruent. Okay, chalo, let's move to the next question. If perpendiculars from any point within an angle on its arms are congruent, prove that it lies on the bisector of that angle. So what is happening here bachcho, ki bhaiya, you have an angle. Let us say ki this is your angle. Okay, A, B and C. Now there is a point inside it, point D, let us say. This point D, when you drop perpendiculars on both the arms, okay, let us say this is your point D, and this is one perpendicular, and this is another perpendicular. So they are saying ki these two perpendicular, okay, let us say DE and DF. These two perpendiculars are on the arms are congruent. That means DE is equal to DF. First thing we know. And these two angles are 90 degree, that I have already shown. Now you have to show ki bhaiya, this angle lies on the bisector. That means this point D lies on the bisector. That means they want us to prove ki bhaiya, show us ki these two angles are equal. If these two angles are equal, I can say this is the bisector line. Easy, I have to prove these two triangles congruent. So I can say first thing is D is equal to EF, they have already given. Then right angle is there, and then BD is the common side. Okay, and I know ki angle E is equal to angle F, both are 90 degree, and BD is equal to BD. So it is quite easy. So I can say by right angle hypotenuse side rule, I can say triangle DEB is congruent to triangle DFB, and it means that this angle EBD, so I can say angle EBD is equal to angle FBD Why? Because of CPCT. And if these two are equal, that means BD is bisector of angle ABC, and hence proved. Okay, so this is how easily it can be proved. So just understand the meaning and just plot what the question is trying to tell you, and you will get everything correct. Okay, chalo, let's move ahead now. Chalo, the next question is, in two this is done already. ABCD is a square, x and y are points on the side AD and BC respectively, such that AY is equal to BX, prove that BY is equal to AX and angle BAY is equal to ABX. So in these questions, first thing is make the diagram. So sir, if I make the diagram, let us say what they are saying, ABCD is a square. Okay sir, ABCD is a square. Then they are saying x and y are the points on side AD and BC. So x is a point on side AD. Let us say here sir x, and y is a point on side BC such that AY is equal to BX. Okay, so y is a point here, and they are saying कि it is in such a way कि भैया your AY is equal to BX. Okay sir, that means these two, AY is equal to BX. This is one important thing to know. Okay, prove that BY is equal to AX and angle BAY is equal to angle ABX. Angle BAY, this angle we have to prove is equal to ABX. These two angles we have to prove equal. We'll prove it, don't worry, we'll prove it. Okay, so I'm not able to, we'll keep it this only. So we will prove it again. It's quite easy. Or I can say कि sir, in triangle X AB and YBA, first thing बच्चों, I can say कि sir AY is equal to BX or BX is equal to AY. BX is equal to AY, it is already given. Then I know since it is a square, these two angles are 90 degree. So angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree because ABCD is a square and AB is the common side among both. So now I can say by right angle hypotenuse side rule. So by RHS rule, I am telling you कि sir, triangle XAB is congruent to triangle YBA, and if these two are congruent बच्चों, definitely AX is equal to BY. First thing proved. CPCT, and by CPCT again I can say कि भाई sir, this angle is equal to this angle because they are the corresponding angles in both the triangles. Done, easy, right? Chalo, let's move to the next part. This question is asked to me in the comments in the first video, and it's a very good question. So let us solve this question. Okay. Now what is this question? In this given figure, ABC is a triangle in which angle B is twice of angle C. Okay. D is a point on side BC. Okay, such that AD bisects angle BAC. So AD is the angle bisector. Okay. BAC. Okay, and AB is equal to CD. Okay, sir. AB is equal to CD. BE is the bisector of angle B. Okay, sir. The measure of angle BAC. Now, first thing I have got, ki sir, AD is the bisector. So let us say, ki sir, this is X. This is also X, and this B is the bisector, so this is Y, this is also Y. Now they have first thing told angle B is twice of angle C. So if angle B is, let us say, 2 times of Y is twice of angle C, so you can get from here that angle C is equal to Y. So here this angle is Y, correct? Then they have told one more thing, ki this AB is equal to CD. That is the information. Am I missing any information yet? No sir, nothing. All the information which is given in the question, you have noted it down. So what is the main logic behind noting down all the information on the diagram is, now you can see it carefully. And bachcho, if you will see carefully, so just focus on this part. Okay. Do you get something? As you can see, angle y is equal to angle y. Okay, so I can say, sir, in triangle BEC, as you can see, angle EBC is equal to angle ECB. So when two angles are equal, side opposite to them will also be equal. So from here I can say, sir, BE is equal to EC. That is a new information I have got, right? So what I have got, sir, this BE is equal to EC. Sir, very good, nice. Now what to do next? Now bacho, see, where are the pair of equal lines you are getting? Pair of equal lines AB is CD given, okay, only CD. AB is equal to CD they have given, and we have proved ki BE is equal to EC. Now to use these two information, and I can see between these two, angle Y is the common there, so I can use side angle side. So I have to create a triangle. See, as you know, if I take the whole triangle EBC, okay, so in this whole triangle EBC, whole BC is coming. That will not work. So what I'll do, bachon, ki I will join this E to D. I will join this E to D, and I will take one triangle. I will take one triangle as this angle triangle EDC. This is one triangle. Okay, this is your one triangle. And similarly, I will take my other triangle from here. Other triangle will be this part. These two triangles. Okay, why I am taking these two triangles? Okay, why? See, this blue one and this black one. As you can see, bacho, ki AB is equal to CD I am getting here. AB is equal to CD I am getting here. These two are equal. Okay, and EC is equal to BE. Also I have an angle Y in between them, so I can prove these two triangles as congruent. So chalo bhaiya, let us write them congruent. Okay, as I have already told you, just the writing part is left. What is that? AB is equal to CD. Then between them, angle ABE is equal to angle ECD is equal to angle ECD, because both are equal to Y. Okay, and then the third thing I have is BE is equal to EC, which I have got already from here. BE is equal to EC. So bacho, if this thing is true, I can say it's a triangle ABE. Triangle ABE is equal to triangle AB is equal to CD. So CDCE is congruent to triangle DCE. AB is equal to CD and EC is equal to BE. Okay, now these two triangles we have proved congruent. Sir, we have proved congruent. So if we prove these two triangles congruent, what is the new thing we are getting? See, the third side should also be equal. So from here, bachon, can I say ki sir, this third side DE is equal to AE? Sir, yes, you can say, because these two are the congruent sides. So now I will say ki sir, that means I can now say ki sir, DE is equal to AE. Why? Because of corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Sir, correct. You have got ki sir, DE is equal to AE. Okay sir, now to everything is nice and fine. Now I need to find out the value of what, bacho? Angle BAC. Okay sir, angle BAC we need to find out. Okay sir, one more thing I can say ki sir, when this angle is 2x, okay, so what is the corresponding point to A? Corresponding point to point A is D. See, AB is equal to CD, okay, and the angle B and angle C were equal, so these two are corresponding. So similarly, angle A is equal to 2x. So by the corresponding way, I can say ki sir, these two angles are also equal. So this angle will also become 2x. So what I have got, bacho? Angle EDC is also equal to 2x. Again, the reason for both, I will write it here. Angle EDC is also equal to angle BAE both are equal to 2x, that is CPCT. हाँ sir, okay, no problem. This is 2x we have got. Chalo, can I get something more? हाँ sir, triangle AED is an isosceles triangle. Triangle AED is an isosceles triangle. So now बच्चों, in an isosceles triangle these two sides are equal. So if this angle is x, this angle should also be equal to x. So I will say ki sir, one more thing, as AE is equal to DE, so I will say, so in triangle AED I will say ki sir, angle EAD, so angle EAD should be equal to angle EDA. This should be equal to angle EDA, and this should also be equal to x. Now I will remove everything and just focus on the part where you want to focus now. Okay, up to now what we have done, I will again explain it. What we have done, first thing we have got ki sir, this is BEC is an isosceles triangle. So I have told ki sir, BE is equal to EC. Why? Because these two angles are y. Once I have got BE is equal to EC, you have taken this triangle 1 and this triangle 2 and you have proved these two congruent. Once you have proved them congruent, by CPCT you have told ki sir, ED is equal to AE, and then you have told ki sir, ED is equal to AE and this angle is equal to this angle. So I have got this part as 2x and this part as x using isosceles triangle property. Now let me erase this part and let me show what I want you to show properly. Okay, because that diagram became like too much. Okay, so what we have here bachon, ki I have got ki sir, this angle is 2x, this angle is x. So this whole angle will become 3x. Okay, हाँ sir, this whole angle will become 3x. Then I have told ki sir, this is x, this is x, this is y, and this is y. हाँ sir, correct. Now let us see what we can do. This ADC is an exterior angle. This ADC is an exterior angle. If ADC is an exterior angle, it should be equal to sum of other two interior angle. That means this plus this. So I can say ki sir, angle ADE is equal to what? 3x is equal to this angle is x plus 2y. So you got bacho 2x is equal to 2y, that means x is equal to y. हाँ sir, we have got x is equal to y. Once we have got x is equal to y, now take the larger triangle. In larger triangle I can say sir, ki sir, angle A plus angle B plus angle C should be equal to 180 degree. Angle A is 2x, angle B is 2y, and since I know x is equal to y, this will also become 2x, and C is y, that means x is equal to y, so x is equal to 180. So bachcho, you have got 5x is equal to 180 degree, that means x is equal to 180 upon 5, which is equal to 36 degree. Which is equal to what? 36 degrees. Okay, so now what I've got, ki x is equal to 36 degree. What do we want? Angle BAC. Angle BAC is equal to 2x. Angle BAC is equal to 2x, so I can say angle BAC is equal to 36 into 2, which is equal to 72 degree. This will be equal to 72 degree. Okay, so this is how we have done it. Bit lengthy question, but very interesting question. Okay, so you can every time before examination come to this video and do rewatch the solution of this question, because this question is very amazing. Okay, keep posting me such amazing questions and I will be taking those questions in my coming sessions. Okay bachcho, chalo. So now let's move ahead. The next question is, ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AC is equal to BC, AD and BE are respectively two altitudes to sides BC and AC. Prove that AE is equal to BD. Okay, so again bachcho, it is very easy. ABC they have told is an isosceles triangle. ABC they have told is an isosceles triangle in which AC is equal to BC. Okay, AC is equal to BC, that means this side is equal to this side. Okay, then they have told ki AD and BE, AD and BE are respectively two altitudes to side BC. So okay sir, AD is an altitude and BE is an altitude. Okay, are two altitudes on the side BC and AC respectively. Prove that AE AE, this AE we have to prove equal to BD. So you know ki which two triangles we have to take. We have to take triangle ABE and triangle ABD. Okay, this is also an altitude. So now we know that these two angles are 90 degree. Okay, or you can take these two. Take these two triangles. This triangle ABE and triangle ACD. Why? Because in this case you will be getting AB. First thing, angle E is equal to angle D. Both are 90 degrees both the ways. Both are 90 degrees both the ways. And then you will be getting ki BE will be common. BE will be common. And by that though it was not working. AB is equal to AB is not AC. We have got AC is equal to BC. So I have one information so that I have to use. So I will take triangle ADC and triangle. So ADC AC I have used, and now I want BC and triangle BEC. Okay, so I'm thinking which triangles to use so that I can utilize the given information, that is AC is equal to BC. So bachcho, if I take these two triangles, first thing you can say ki sir, angle D is equal to angle E. Both are equal to 90 degree. Next thing you can say bachcho ki in this triangle AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. And the third thing, as you can see in both ADC and BEC. So we can see ki sir, angle C is common in both. Angle C is equal to angle C. Common. Okay bachcho, so now as you can see that by angle side, and here also by angle and then side, sorry, angle and side, I can say both the triangles are congruent. So triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BEC, and now I can say ki sir, AD is equal to BE by CPCT. Okay, so how I've chosen the triangle, that is the main thing, and I've chosen the triangle in a way ki see, I want to use this information ki sir, BC is equal to AE. Okay, and both right angle triangles should also be there. So I have taken it in a way ki haan sir, first triangle I will take this, and second triangle I will take this one, so that AC and BC both are involved. This is how you choose the triangles to be congruent. Okay, chalo, now let's move to the next question. In the given figure, AB is equal to AD. Okay sir, this AB is equal to AD, and AC is equal to AE. AC is equal to AE, and BAD is equal to EAC. BAD is equal to EAC. Then prove that BC is equal to DE. Now bachcho, this question I would like to give you as in homework. You can give me the proof of this either in the chat box, or you can mail it to me at my email ID, that is Gopal, that is gopal.paliwal@vedantu.com, and those who will give me correct answer, I'll be featuring their name in the next video. So either you can comment the whole proof in the chat comment box, or you can mail to me at this ID. You can write it on any paper or page, take a pic, and you can send me to this email ID. Okay, chalo. So now let's move ahead bachcho, and the next question is this: AB and CD are the smallest and largest angles of a side, largest sides of a quadrilateral ABCD. Out of angle B and D, decides which one is greater. So what they are saying bachcho ki AB, there is a quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral, okay, nothing special, any normal quadrilateral, but AB and CD are the smallest and largest. So chalo sir, AB smallest. Arey. So as you can see bachcho, A, B, C, D. AB is the smallest, DC is the largest, and I want to figure out ki out of angle B and angle D which one is greater. Okay sir, so do one thing bachcho, let us draw one diagonal. Let us draw this diagonal. Now I have got two triangles ABD and BCD. So first take triangle. In triangle ABD, if I take in triangle ABD, bachon, you can say कि since AB is the smallest side in them all, AB is the smallest side, so AD will be larger than that. AD is larger than AB because AB is the smallest one. So opposite to AB you are getting this angle, let us say angle 1, and opposite to AD you are getting this angle, let us say angle 2. So from here I know that sir AD is greater than AB, so opposite to AD what is the angle? Angle 2 is greater than opposite to AB what is the angle? Angle 1. First information. Next thing, let us take this triangle BCD. Now we have the largest side. DC is the largest side. Okay bachon, DC is the largest side, so I will say कि sir BC will be smaller than DC. So I can say कि sir CD or is larger than this BC. CD is larger than this BC. So if CD is larger than BC, let us say opposite to CD we have this angle 3 and opposite to the CB we have this angle 4. So from here I can say कि opposite to CD is the angle 3. So from here I can say that sir angle 3 is greater than angle 4. This is my equation 1. This is my equation 2. As you can see, both the signs are equal. I can add both the equations, and once if I add both the equation, you will get angle 2. Both the greater ones if I add, so they will be more than the sum of both the smaller ones. Okay, so angle 2 plus angle 3 will become angle B, and it is greater than angle D. Okay, so this is how we can prove that angle B is greater than angle D. Understood? So we have used the triangular inequality that the angle opposite to the largest side is the largest angle, and the angle opposite to the smallest side is also the smallest angle. Okay, so this is how it has been done. Let's move to the next question. Show that in a quadrilateral ABCD, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. So I think this we have done in the previous class. Let me do it one more time. So we can say, sir, we have a quadrilateral, let us say ABCD. Okay, so and it is greater than AC and BD. So first thing bacho, I can say ki sir AO plus OB is greater than AB. Then I can say OB plus OC is greater than BC. Then I can say ki sir OC plus OD is greater than CD. And then I can say AO plus OD is greater than AD. If I add all, here you will be getting AB plus BC. Acha, but that will not give you. Again, I am doing the same thing again. That will give you something else. We have to do something else. This midway I will remember. Acha, you want something. You want the diagonals to be less than the sum of that. Acha. So yesterday, if you remember, sorry, in the last class, if you remember, we have proved that AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than twice of AC plus BD. And now we want to prove that sum of the sides is greater than sum of the diagonals. So here, bacho, nothing. Directly take this in triangle ACB. In triangle ACB, we have got AB plus BC. AB plus BC will be greater than AC. Similarly, take this triangle, the upper triangle. Okay, if you take the upper triangle, or we have to take all the 4 triangles. So here we have taken AC. Now take this triangle. If I take this triangle, you can say in triangle, which triangle? BCD. I can say bachcho, BC plus CD is greater than BD. Then I will take this triangle. ACB I have taken, this triangle I have taken, this triangle I have taken, and then I will take. So now let us take triangle in triangle ACD. If I take triangle ACD, you can say ki sir CD plus AD is greater than AC. And now let us take the triangle ABD. Let us take the triangle ABD. So in ABD you will be getting AD plus AB is greater than BD. Is greater than what? BD. Now add the all four. So you will see कि AB is coming 2 times, BC is also coming 2 times, CD is coming 2 times, AD is coming 2 times. So you'll be getting 2 times of AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. This whole is greater than 2 times of AC plus BD. And then bachon 2 to 2 will get cancelled. So at the end what we have got? We have got that at the 2 to 2 will get cancelled and you will get the required result. Okay bachon. So this is all in today's class, and you can subscribe to, you can download Vedantu's app. Here the features are, you are getting free study material, free practice paper, schedule of the master classes and free doubt solving facility. Okay bachon. And also you can download the PDFs of the sessions which you are attending right now, attending at the free classes at the Vedantu's app. And then the next thing is Telegram group. You can join the Telegram group. Many of the students of your grades are there and they are discussing the problems. And then like, share and subscribe to this video. And this time let us set a target, 100 targets. Let's see whether we'll be able to reach 100 targets or not. Okay, so if you like this, if you like the teaching, if you like the concepts, if you like the questions, if you have understood everything, do give me a like. And you can reach me out, you can send your homeworks in the comment box or as well as here at gopal.paliwal@vedantu.com. Okay bachon, so this is all from my side and I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then bachon, bye bye, good night, I'll see you soon. Yep, chalo, bye bye.